Hey everybody, I'm Giao and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do big space buns that you can do in a very short period of time. It's really easy to do space buns. All you need to do is tie your hair up in two buns and and then tease it a little bit and then put it into a bun, and you have really beautiful big space buns. So today I'm going to show you how to do them. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide my hair into half like that, and now I'm going to tie my hair up. I'm going to put my hair into two ponytails quite high up on my head. One is ready. And two is ready. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tease my hair. So I'm going to get a brush and I'm going to tease my hair. Now I'm going to bunch it up and twirl it around. And now I'm going to get bobby pins and pin it down. So now it's time to do the other side. Now I'm going to bunch it up and do this side. So these space buns are really easy to do. I mean, anybody can do them, and they look cute, and it's also a very easy hairstyle to do. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Up until next time, I hope you have a beautiful and wonderful time with all your family and all your friends, and I look forward to seeing you then. Bye!